Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Here you see me just leaving the Hyatt Regency in Sha Tin. And today I want to show you a new feature that I found on the Tesla app. This new feature is called Charge Stats. You can also see that the app is telling me my window is open. However, my window is not open, and I reported this notification bug in the Tesla app to Tesla Hong Kong about 2 years ago, and they still have not fixed this bug. The only solution Tesla Hong Kong could suggest was to simply switch off the Tesla's notification feature, which defeats the whole purpose of having that option in the first place. I am surprised Tesla has still not fixed this bug, and if any Tesla drivers out there have experienced this problem, please comment below. You can see that I even tried to close the window remotely using my app, but the Tesla app does not allow you to open or close the windows remotely. So, back to the charge stats, which I noticed a few days ago as a new feature in the Tesla app. When I tapped on the charge stats, this is the screen that appeared. It gave me my charging status in the last 31 days and told me that I had charged my Tesla with 220 kilowatt hours at the cost of $33. For that amount of charging, I had traveled just over 1,000 kilometers in the past month. This feature also provides an equivalent gas or petrol saving. So if you were to travel the same 1,000 kilometers in an ICE car, those savings are calculated at $245 for that month. In fact, for me, I get free electricity and free supercharging, so I paid nothing for my 1,000 kilometers in the past month. But you can see Tesla is using real-world gas prices in Hong Kong to calculate the money saved on petrol. Gas prices in Hong Kong are one of, if not the world's most expensive at $11.50 per gallon. Check out my previous video about Hong Kong being the most expensive city in the world. So it really makes sense if you own a car in Hong Kong to actually have an EV and not an ICE car. The cost of owning and driving and maintaining a car in Hong Kong can be prohibitive. If you would like a breakdown of how much it costs to run a car in Hong Kong, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you. I hope this video gives you a glimpse into what it is like to own and drive a Tesla in Hong Kong. So thanks for watching and stay safe.